Cobra! Back at it again with another fresh video. We already know who it is. If you don't know, ask Google, man. So what do you do when things are not working out? You know you're working, but things are not coming into fruition. You poured all your heart and soul into the dream, but it's not coming into fruition. You're not becoming successful. What do you do? It feels like, you're not one of God's favorite. You feel like Pharaoh. Okay, you feel like Pharaoh because things are going south. They're always going south. You feel like you're drowning. What do you do? Now hold up, player. Before you obliterate yourself or go get a bomb and blow yourself to smithereens, hold on. You come to this video and you watch it. Point number one is work. I wrote about this in my book, my best international selling book, The Power of Laws, which Amazon, wiped out. They just terminated my fucking account. Now that's another story for another video. But in The Power of Laws, the first law was the law of work. Work is not doing something, it's to become something. The law of work, if you're doing what you're supposed to do all the time, you'll always emerge to the top. Now, to work is to become something. Work creates luck. Work with gusto. Work with enthusiasm. Work with enjoyment. Enjoy yourself while you're working. Make sure that you're enjoying the work that you're doing. Whether it's like becoming an artist, like I said, to work is to become something. It's not to do something. Working is not the same as having a job. I'm not here to enslave people, to encourage slavery. I want to free people. I want to show the peasants, the peons, the slaves that they too can become kings. The followers, they too can become leaders. That's why I'm here. So I'm not here to enslave people, to encourage you to go to a job and work, slave you the rest of your life, pour your heart and soul into a job that doesn't care about you, won't even take care of your family after you're gone, So, to work is to become something, it's not to do something. By working, make sure that you are always becoming something. Someone, the guy with the six-pack, or the guy with the business, or the guy with a YouTube video. Become something. Always make sure that you are working. By working, you are becoming something. And work works. All work works. When things are not going the way you think they're supposed to be going, that work that you're doing is working on you. Work works all the time. Even if things are not coming into fruition the way you think, the way you think they're supposed to be coming into fruition. But they are. Things are always, if you're always working, things are working out in your best interest. Whether it's carving out all the negative things from who you're supposed to be becoming or molding you into a person that you're supposed to be. So when you're working, things are always working in your best interest. Whether it's taking 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, things are always working when you're working. So work, which means become something. Don't just sit there and be a loser. Become a winner. Point number 2, do not compare, compete. Now, comparing, it's a noun, which means not a doing word. When you compare, you're sitting down, either scrolling through TikTok or some Instagram, comparing yourself to other people. Look at them, they have this or they have that, I don't have this, they have that, and whatever it is, blue, blah, blah, blue. Comparing, it's a noun, it's not a doing word. So compete. By competing, which means get in the game, get your hands dirty, get in there. Compete with them, like learn from the best. Look at who's doing whatever that you in your heart you're supposed to be doing. Go there and knock them out. By knock them out, I don't mean like physically you punch someone. I mean like become the best. Exceed them. Learn from them so that you can become the best. If you learn from other people, you know what they know, but they don't know what you know because you're not teaching them. So learn from others who are doing whatever your heart is leading you into. Learn from them and become the best. Make sure you compete. Do not compare. Competing is a verb, which means you're in action. You're doing something. Don't just sit there and wipe, moan, and you wanna call mommy. Oh, mom, life is not fair. Hold on. Stand up. Rise up. Compete. Do not compare. The last point, which is number 3. Don't jump off the roller coaster, man. Do not jump off the roller coaster. Life, it's like a roller coaster, my friend. It has its ups and downs. Now, when it goes up, you need to be humble and hang on tight. Make sure you don't fall. When it goes down, same thing. Hold tight. Don't change. Have character. Be a person of character. Do not change when things go tough. Stay strong. Be you. Do not change when things are going south. Just hang in tight. Keep on working. Never lose hope. You will always emerge to the top if you're doing what you're supposed to do. So don't sit down and just waste your time and mope and cry. Oh, things are bad. I'm sad. I feel sad. I feel depressed. Come and help me. Nobody's coming to help you. Okay? No one is coming to help you. Develop a thick skin. Believe in yourself. Keep working. Compete. Do not compare. Don't jump off the roller coaster. Meaning, don't quit. Whatever you're doing, don't quit. Keep going. You will always make it to the top. I'm out this motherfucker.